What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? Welcome. So today's video is going to be an Ulta haul. I picked up some goodies and I decided why not just go ahead and film it so you guys can see what I picked up. So let's get right into this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Do it now because you'll forget later and then I'll have to remind you guys again. And then don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well at MarieB Beauty. That's 2 B's and 2 Y's. So let's jump in. So to start it off, the first thing I picked up from Ulta was this Thayers facial toner, which is witch hazel in the scent cucumber. This is what I use every morning to cleanse my face after my other products. This is a holy grail for me. You guys definitely need to try this out. It's bomb. But yeah, and it's not really expensive, and they had a sale. I think it was like buy one get one 40% off, so I picked up 2. But for the sake of the video, you guys only need to see 1 bottle. It's the same thing. So after that, I picked up this this Essence facial brush, and you can use it for bronzer. I'm always looking for a bronzer brush, and this was like $2, you guys. So for $2, like, you can't beat that. Most brushes are more expensive. Moving right along, I picked up this KKW cream contour and highlighting set that looks like this, and I actually have one of these already. I got the tan, but I picked up the dark just because I want to have a variety. And it comes with these 2 little cute tubes, and one of them is strictly for contour, and you'll see that this is the lighter end. And these are a lot easier to use. It's a lot less of a mess, so I definitely am excited about these. And then you've got this like concealer highlighting pen as well, but basically it's the same thing, you guys. So definitely gonna try this out real soon. Like I said, I have the tan one, which is about the right shade for right now, but being that it's summer, I do tan easily, so it'll be real soon before I start using this one. Next, I picked up the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. This is in sugar, and I love the packaging. This is what it looks like, and it comes with 4 highlighters in one. This is great for people that are doing freelance work. It's just a lot easier when you can just walk around with palettes, because everything is compacted and it's a lot easier to use. So this is why I picked this up. I generally don't use palettes on my face. I use individuals. The palettes are more for when I am going to work on clients. So this was on sale, so I had to go ahead and pick it up because normally these are like $40, and I don't want to pay full price. Then I picked up this Ombre Radiance bronzer. This was actually a new product at Ulta, and I don't have many IT Cosmetic facial products, so I figured I'd pick this up. It looked promising. This is what it looks like. Don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a pretty cool shade. Excited to use this. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna be using all these products over the next couple of weeks, you guys, so check out my Insta story. I'll be letting you guys know if it's worth the money or not, just so y'all don't have to make the same mistakes I do. So make sure that you guys follow my Instagram. Again, it's MarieB Beauty. That's 2 B's and 2 Y's, so you guys can keep up to date with everything that I'm posting, especially these products, so that you guys don't wind up buying them if they don't turn out to work. Again, this is just what works good on my skin. It might be different for you guys, but if you guys want some input, then make sure that you check it out. But next thing I purchased was this Beauty Blender Galaxy looking beauty blender. You guys actually saw this in the giveaway video. I picked up 2 for the giveaway, and then I picked up 1 for myself. I love beauty blenders. I've tried Morphe blenders. I've tried like the ones that you find at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. They're all good, but somehow I always wind up going back to the beauty blender, so this just works for me. Next, I picked up a little bit on the high end, one of Kylie's setting powders. I've been wanting to try her products, but they're mad expensive, and I just don't see myself spending this type of money all the time. So I don't know, I guess I just was in the mood of shopping, so I went ahead and just put it in. I got 2 things from her because they're pretty pricey, but this is what the setting powder looks like. I got it in the shade yellow, but it looked really promising on the internet. It actually looked like the Too Faced setting powder that I use right now, that I actually need to get a whole new one because I am running extremely low on that setting powder and I cannot afford to not have it, especially because I'm traveling a lot. So I need to pick one of those up, but I figured I could kind of alternate between the two and see if the Kylie one matches up to the Too Faced one, because it's a lot more expensive than the Too Faced one. So let's see what it goes. Next thing I picked up from her was her lip kit. This is the matte liquid lipstick and lip liner, and this was in the shade Candy K. It's a nude. Make sure you guys can see that. So I don't really wear bright colors on my lips. Like, it's rare that I do that. I wear more nudes, browns, maybe like a mauve pink if I'm feeling like a little, you know, wild. But normally it's nude because that's just what works best for me. So this is actually a lot pinker than I expected it to be. And this is what it looks like. So kind of iffy. I don't know if I'll match them. I'll probably use this to line my lips and mix it with a nude, and then vice versa, do like a dark brown liner on my lips and then use this, because this is really pink. This is really pink. This is not what I expected. This smell is not good. So this is what it looks like. The smell is really, it smells like crayon. Does anyone else smell their products? I know I smell their products. Like, I smell everything, even the food that I eat. If people get mad at me because they feel like I put my nose in their stuff, but honestly, if you're not smelling it, like, how are you gonna know if it's good? Like, if it smells like crap, are you really gonna want to eat it? Probably not, right? So I say smell everything before you use it. Moving right along, I did pick up another skincare product. If you guys follow, I think it's Aggie Abby on Instagram, she talks about this Boscia Illuminizing black mask. It's supposed to remove all your blackheads and leaves your skin like super soft. So I use their cleanser. Like, I alternate between the products I use on my face because you don't want to use the same product every single day because your face will get used to it, so then it stops working as effectively as it should. So I kind of alternate between products here and there just to give my face something new. So anyways, I went on a tangent. So I had their cleanser. I use that, I want to say, at least once a week, and it works good. So I figured I'd pick up the Illuminizing black mask and see if it actually works, because her skin be looking bomb. Like, no impurities, no nothing, like super sleek. So I need that in my life. Alright guys, so I also picked up this Nudes palette by Juvia. I think I'm pronouncing it right. But this is what the packaging looks like. These, well, this and like 3 other ones came out at Ulta. They're like new or fairly new. So they weren't that expensive. I think they were like 14 bucks. So I went ahead and picked it up. Hold on, guys.
Today, Junior.
Nope. Anyways, so I picked up this Juvia palette from Ulta. It was like $14. There was a browns, a cools, I think like a berries one. I'm not sure. They had like all types of ones. But I picked, of course, the nudes because on a daily basis, I don't wear a lot of makeup. I let my skin breathe. Like, I wear makeup when I go out, and then even then, it's more natural nude looks, unless, you know, like it's a big event that I'm going to. Then I might play with some colors, but normally it's just a very easy neutral look to do. So this is what the palette looks like. And again, they're really bare, really basic. Let me just swatch. It's kind of hard to swatch over my tattoos, you guys. I'm sure that, you know, gosh, I'm like, what the heck is going on with her? Okay, let's do all the... Alright, so this is all of the matte shades that they have in the palette. And then they've got some shimmers. Let me see what the shimmers look like. Okay. So it looks like you might have to build these up. Like some of them are pigmented, but not all of them. You gotta push really, really hard. Okay, that one had good payoff. So this is what they look like, you guys. So they're pretty good. I'm excited to use them. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want me to do a look with this palette. I'll definitely film it and upload it. And then let me know what other looks you guys want to do. Like, I have such a hard time filming makeup looks because I don't know what everybody wants to see. I don't know if you want to see like a whole bunch of color or a whole bunch of nudes. So leave me some comments down below, you guys. Let me know what you guys want to see so that I can go ahead and start filming it, because your girl needs some help. But moving right along with the theme of me traveling. So I do travel between states a lot in the process of moving. I won't tell you guys where yet, but I am in the process of moving. So I do have to carry my makeup from one place to the next. And I don't know about you guys, but I have a lot of makeup brushes. So putting them in a container that's not made for makeup brushes is extremely difficult, because not only do I have to pack and mush all of them in there, but it winds up messing the brushes up, at least the brush part, not the handle. Well, sometimes it messes up the handle, but really the brush part. So I was looking for a makeup container. I actually wanted the one that Morphe was selling, but they didn't have any. So then I ran across this one, and this is from the brand Kestrel. And this is what it looks like. It's really sleek. It's just black, and it opens up like this, and you have space to put your brushes on this side, and then you have this little flap that you can move over and put brushes on this side. Hopefully this works, because again, I have a lot of makeup brushes, so I'm trying to find a way to travel with all of them but not ruin them. Like, I have a case for the makeup brushes that I use on clients, but I need something for my makeup brushes. I just got makeup all over this, you guys. But yeah, so I will let you guys know if this works. You definitely want to pick this one up. This was only 20 bucks if I'm not mistaken. So it's a pretty affordable price if it works. All right, you guys, so as you saw from the live yesterday, the two lucky winners got one of these. So I've actually been wanting this palette for some time, and when I was shopping at Ulta, originally I was picking it up, and then I thought, well, I mean, if I want it, I'm pretty sure that some of my subscribers want it. So that's how I ended up picking up so many of them. And this is what the palette looks like. It's nice and sleek. I actually like this black matte writing. It looks really fancy. Fancy, fancy, fancy. And this is what the palette looks like, you guys. This is enormous. Enormous, you guys. Like, enormous, that's what she said. But this is enormous, you guys. Okay? You can do so many looks with this, which I think I'm gonna film a couple tutorials with this palette. Just give me some time. I gotta think of something. Like, it has to be really, really good. I was really, really looking forward to getting this because of the colors, especially like this little corner right here, you guys. The yellows and the greens. I don't know why, but I just feel like I love greens. I love greens on my eyes. I don't know why. All right, even like this purpley blue right here that you see right there. Amazing. So the colors are extremely pigmented because I've actually tested the testers that they've had prior to COVID-19, because right now we can't do any of the testers. All right, and let me tell you guys that when I shop online because I hate going into the stores. I don't know about you guys, but I can't breathe in the masks. Okay, I have anxiety as it is. Hate it. Okay, I'd rather like send someone into the store for me than me have to go in there, because I just can't do it. Okay, and the likelihood of me getting COVID-19 if I stay in the car is less than if I get out of the car. So, I mean, I know it sounds a little selfish, you guys, but I mean, hey, These are desperate times, you guys. Desperate times. But yeah. Alright guys, so that is everything that I picked up from Ulta. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, leave me some comments down below of other videos that you guys are wanting me to film, whether it's more skincare or a day in my life or fitness or what I eat in a day. Whatever it is, just make sure that you guys leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you guys want to see so we can get this ball rolling. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. You gotta be part of the family. Like, what if I have another giveaway and you guys aren't subscribed? Think about it. Definitely subscribe. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram as well at MarieBBBeauty. That's 2 B's and 2 Y's. And I'll see you guys in the next video.